Hey there! Today we're diving into a problem that many C# developers might come across. So, the problem we're tackling is related to how generic nullable types are interpreted in C#, a bit confusing, right? Now let's talk about the solution. We found that if we want to change the default return value to null in a scenario where the return type is technically it, we can use a generic constraint. By adding where t struct to our method, we can ensure that the return value will be null, just like in the first two cases. Super helpful, right? In summary, we've uncovered the mystery behind why a default return value of 0 appeared in a scenario where we expected null due to generic nullable types in C#. By utilizing a generic constraint, we were able to adjust the behavior and get the desired null response. Remember, when in doubt, constraints are your friend. Well, that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment down below. Until next time, happy coding!